If you're tired of competing for pennies on crowded freelance platforms, and you're ready to build a real, scalable business right here in Nigeria, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a completely new business model that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to create and sell professional eBooks in just a few hours. This is not about writing, it's about strategy. We'll go from idea to a product you can sell, without typing a single word yourself. Stay with me, because this blueprint can change how you earn online forever. The first and most important step is to find a profitable niche. You don't want to create an ebook that no one is searching for. We'll use two simple, free tools to do our research. First, head over to Google Trends. Type in a topic you're interested in like side hustle or budgeting. Google will show you the search interest over time. If the line is steady or rising, that's a good sign. You can also see related queries to find more specific topics people are looking for. Next, check out a digital product marketplace like Selar or even Amazon's Kindle store. Browse their top categories to see what people are already buying. Look for popular topics and think about how you can offer a slightly different perspective, maybe one tailored specifically to the Nigerian market. For this tutorial, let's choose personal finance. It's a classic, high-demand niche. Now for the magic, we're going to use a free AI tool like ChatGPT to write the entire book for us. You don't need to be a professional writer. You just need to know how to give the right instructions. First, let's get our blueprint. Give the AI a clear prompt. Something like, create a detailed 10-chapter outline for an ebook titled, The Nigerian's Guide to Financial Freedom. Make sure to include actionable steps. As you can see, the AI instantly provides a full, structured outline. This is our roadmap. Now, we will simply take each chapter title and give the AI a new command. For example, write Chapter 1, The Importance of a Budget for Nigerians. Make it detailed and actionable. The AI will give you a full chapter. This is the exact process you'll repeat for every chapter in your book. In just a couple of hours, you'll have all the content you need. This is the difference between working hard and working smart. A professional-looking book sells, but you don't need a designer. We're going to use Canva, which has a free version with powerful design tools. On the Canva homepage, simply search for ebook cover and ebook template. You will see thousands of pre-made, stunning designs. All you have to do is choose one you like. With your ebook ready, all you need is a store. Platforms like Selar.co are perfect for Nigerians because they handle everything for you. You don't need a website or a complicated payment system. Simply create a free account, click Add Product, and upload your PDF. Write a compelling description and set a price. A price between 5,000 Naira to 15,000 Naira is a good starting point for a valuable ebook. The platform will handle all the payments and can transfer the money directly to your Nigerian bank account. This is a truly passive income stream. You create the product once, and it can continue to sell for years. I believe this is the future of online business in Nigeria. If you found this guide helpful and are ready to take action, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Your journey to your first $200 starts today. Thank you for watching.